Hey, Kevin Prince here from Drummer101.com, and in this lesson I'm going to show you 3 grooves every brand new drummer should know. Alright, before we get started, hit the link in the description below. That'll take you to the Drummer101.com website where you can watch the Getting Started course for free. All you need is an account. You don't need a paid membership, but if you want to do a paid membership, that'll give you access to all the other lessons on the site as well. Alright, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Now let's get on with the lesson. The 3 drums we're going to be using is our hi-hats, snare drum, and bass drum. This is going to be the first backbeat groove, the first groove any drummer learns in their first drum lesson. So take your right hand, you're going to play it over on the hi-hats, and you're going to count eighth notes, which is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That sounds like this. Okay, now the left hand's going to sneak under that right hand, and we are going to play the backbeats of 2 and 4 together. So you're going to get hi-hats and snare drum together on 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I recommend counting out loud. Alright, nice. Now that is going to stay the same with all 3 of the grooves. So you've got your right hand on your hi-hats, left hand on your snare drum. You are keeping that eighth note count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and nothing changes with the hands. That's going to stay consistent. Now the next thing is the bass drum. That's going to come in with your right foot on beats 1 and 3. So we're playing the odd numbers on the bass drum, even numbers on the snare drum. So you get the right hand on the hi-hats playing all of the notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and kick and snare and kick and snare. Keep counting. Let's try this together. Alright, when you are comfortable with that, speed it up. You can play it to a metronome or play it without a metronome. Just make sure you're keeping the count. You can count out loud in your head. It doesn't matter as long as you're counting. So let's try that a little bit faster. Alright, moving on to our second groove, we have right hand on our hi-hats, left hand on our snare. Remember, that's going to stay the same. Now we're playing the first note, beat 1 on the bass drum, but we're going to add the 8th note, the note and, immediately following 1. So you've got kick, kick, snare, kick, kick, snare. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's try it slow. Alright, when you're ready, let's play it a little bit faster. Okay, perfect. Now moving on to our third groove. Same thing with the right and left hand, keeping the same count. Nothing changes. These grooves are all made up of eighth notes. But now in this groove, our bass drum is going to be changing a little bit more. We're going to keep the bass drum on beat 1, and we're going to play it on the and of 2, and we're going to play it on beat 3 and of 4. So you've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's play it slow. Okay, and let's play that together faster. Okay guys, there it is, the 3 grooves every brand new drummer should know. Remember, click the link in the description below if you want to watch the free Getting Started course. All you need is an account, but if you want access to the entire site, then there is a membership, but I would appreciate it if you checked it out.